let's go. Taking me moved out of the bloody way. I'll just move that DPC, will you please? Bless you. Bless you. Just move that damp course, I just fell over it.
Move what?
That damp course. Or just put the board flat on the floor, just so we're not walking around it. That's one down, almost. Don't know how long we've took, it's not been long. So I'm going to try and open this pack now without it just disintegrating, see what happens. So far so good. Whoa. That's not bad. Okay. Next one. Yep. Job's a good one. Still got to skip, haven't we?
Yeah.
That. Let's do that last. Let's get all the bricks loaded out first. We can even do that in the morning. No rush for that. Do you want to take all the M1s off, Al? What? I'm going to take all the M1s off and stack them up. I've done this one. Do you know how they get the different shades of bricks?
Yeah.
They spray them.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's it.
Less than an hour.
What does our stopwatch say?
57 minutes.
57 minutes for 1,000 bricks, that's not bad. Just take you around and see what we've done. This is our awkward, well, there's two awkward sides. This one's not quite loaded. Got our back loaded. Obviously furthest point first, work our way back. Then I've loaded this end. The reason being, these boys are permanently on our tails, so we need to do this end first tomorrow, get this side up. So we just need to load a few more blocks for this, about another 12 blocks I think. And then I've loaded just some for my return face brick and then the corner bricks for the coin pattern. So we've still got all this to load, all this to load, and all this to load. So it's probably going to be the best part from the packing. That's it. That's what's done. Quick tour, nice tidy loading bay, less 1,000 bricks. So that's what we're building. Same house as that. So we've got 12 face brick under the left-hand window before we do the soldiers. So that's going to be the bottom of our soldiers at the back. 12 course. So we don't have to set out the windows on this lift. Do it on the next lift. So here's our awkward side again, being up against the fence. There's our back. And the other, this is probably more awkward because we can't sit the boards back because of the wall. Anyway, so first job tomorrow is this side. Get out of these boys' way because they're on our tail all the time. Two cross joints missed out there, Al.
Oh, yeah.
Them and that one there, haven't we?
Yeah.
On that corner, we'll sort that out, and then a couple of the soldiers to point up once we've fixed them. So I'll just give them a quick spiel about the affiliate links that no one's been clicking on.
Huh?
Just give them a quick spiel about our affiliate links that no one's been clicking on.
A quick what?
Spiel.
What's a spiel?
The talk.
Talk?
Mm.
Oh, click on them or we'll find you. You click all the stuff that we use and anything else that we've used to help our channel or our work. We've put affiliate links in the descriptions that take you to Amazon and take you to the products that we use. So you can buy them straight away and we get a small percentage, but with no extra fee for you. It's just to help out the channel a little bit.
Yeah, so we've been on it 3 months and nobody's bought anything. So we need to push it a bit more.
So pull your fingers out.
Yeah. Get clicking. See you in the next one.